A prophetic word from Prophetess Rachael Siebert, vertical bar Esh Misrad Ministries, vertical bar www.linkter.ee/Esh Misrad. I come to you today from a place of brokenness, but not defeat. I am homeless, yes. I have lost much, but I have not lost my faith. I have not lost my fire. I have not lost the mantle placed upon me by heaven. For the Lord says, "Daughter of Zion, you will not end here. What the enemy meant for evil, I shall turn for your good. I have cried like Hannah, fasted like Esther, warred like Deborah, and wept like Jeremiah. And now I roar like Zion. Thus saith the Lord, you shall recover all. You shall walk in the inheritance of the nations. Where they buried your name, I will raise your banner. Where they mocked your pain, I will display my glory. Just as Job was restored, so shall it be for you. Just as fire fell for Elijah, it shall fall upon your altar of sacrifice. Just as David danced before the ark in victory, so shall we rejoice, for the battle is the Lord's. I decree and declare, your mourning is turning into dancing. Your ashes are becoming crowns, and your exile is becoming enthronement. This is a prophetic moment. This is a birthing room. I am speaking not only from the pit, but into your promise. The Lord says, I give you this church. I give you this city. I give you the gates of your enemies. The kingdoms of this world shall become the kingdom of our God. So now I say, to everyone listening, you are not sowing into sorrow. You are sowing into resurrection, into restoration, into revival. If this word has stirred your spirit, sow. If you believe God still moves through broken vessels, sow. If you want to partner with the restoration of God's prophets, sow. Your seed is not just an offering, it's a weapon. Your obedience will unlock scrolls. Your sacrifice will ignite fire. Your generosity will reap legacy. I bless every hand that gives, every heart that prays, every soul that stands with me. From the ashes I rise, and with me a generation. This is Esh Misrad. This is the fire of the office, and the kingdom is advancing. Partner with Prophetess Rachael Siebert. Give now at www.linkter.ee/Esh Misrad. Esh Misrad, where brokenness meets fire.